How to add a drawing in Thinkorswim. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using Thinkorswim and want to add drawings to your chart, firstly, open up the Thinkorswim application and log into your account. Once you're inside the overview page logged in, go ahead and open the chart you want to work with from the watch list or from the markets tab. Now once you open up the chart, if you tap on it once, you'll see a little tool on the left hand side corner. Tap the pencil button and click on New. Select the drawing tool you want to use, such as trend lines, horizontal lines, text, oval shape, rectangle shape, and so on. I'm just going to select the arrow option over here. And now tap on the area or on the chart where you want to start your drawing. You'll then be able to see a point where you have added the drawing. You can select the drawing and move it along the area. Move it to the desired location and click again to place or complete the drawing. If you want to remove the drawing, then you can simply go ahead and press on the drawing and click on the cross icon to delete the drawing. So that's it. Now you can add drawings to your Thinkorswim charts and mark the areas that matters to you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.